Hi everyone, I'm Melissa Warner Rothblum from interior design firm Melissa Warner Miller from Los Angeles. I'm so excited you're here today to see one of my favorite clients' homes in Beverly Hills. I never can resist color and pattern, and this house is brimming with it. Come on in and take a look. The living room is the first room you see when you enter the home, so we wanted it to feel inviting and definitely give a sense of the family who lives here. We decided to keep most of the larger pieces upholstered in neutral fabrics, and then save the pops for the accent pieces like the stools under the consoles, the lounge chairs, and the pillows. Although when you first see this room, it's full of pop, color, and personality, when you look closely, it's really all the small details that make it shine. With so many pairs in the room, I tried to spice it up a bit by upholstering the back of the chairs with different parts of the fabric. One is centered on the yellow, and the other is centered on the fuchsia. To me, this room feels approachable and full of personality. I normally save the best for last, but I do love this dining room and I couldn't wait to get you in here. Because a family lives here, we wanted to make sure to address their needs and that the space was not only chic, but functional as well. In here, we upholstered the inside of all the chairs in a wipeable faux leather, and on the outside, we added a contrast fabric. Although orange in here gives a big bang, it's actually used in quite a small way. We used it to highlight the color in the wallpaper by bringing it out in the candlesticks and also the welting detail on these accent chairs. To add some extra spunk to the room, we added this whimsical chandelier. My rule of thumb is that there's no such thing as too many patterns in a space. If you look closely in here, nearly every piece is patterned, down to the tonal rug on the floor. But together, it all works. Because the kitchen is the hub of the house, having seating be comfortable and even a bit loungy is always a plus. With all of the natural light in the kitchen, we wanted to be sure to take advantage of it when we did the layout for this space. The banquette is the perfect place to sit and take in a view of the backyard. Because the kitchen is so open and airy, we wanted to be sure it had a good anchor point. This island is the perfect place to perch or to chat it up with your family and friends. This is the more public hangout space of the house, but if you're looking for a little downtime, it's perfect to head upstairs to the master. So the master bedroom feels consistent with the rest of the house, but we wanted to make it a little bit more serene and relaxing. Although we still use lots of pattern, we've really dialed it down in terms of color to make it a bit more tranquil. The wallpaper in here adds so much. I just love how the texture and the tonal palette adds an extra layer and punch to the space. So after we finished the main house, we built a whole separate structure that our clients like to call the man cave. Although we wanted the space to feel consistent with the main house, we also wanted to give it its own special something. We used materials that are a little richer in color, texture, and more handsome. Having fun in this space was really important right from the start, and so we actually built the window positioning around our clients' vintage pinball machines. Who doesn't love a good game of pool? In here, we skipped the green felt and instead opted for gray. And if a movie is on the agenda, these motorized shades make it easy to set the mood. A kitchen and bar area help minimize trips back and forth from the main house and keeps the room completely self-contained. Overall, this room is functional, cozy, and chic, perfect for entertaining. Also a great place to end our tour. I hope you enjoyed the tour as much as I did. I had so much fun showing you all around and really hope it inspires you to add a little more color and pattern into your home. Thanks so much for joining me. Bye!
Thanks for watching. Like what you see on the show? Well, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We have so many more beautiful homes to share. It's all about love. Share these homes, you know?